Okay, angilwi ne. I need to understand that we're all on the same page. Bantu is not an ethnicity. It's not a tribe. Abantu bonke abase Africa. Bantu are the people of Africa. So I'm going to also tell you some variations in the pronunciation of the word. Bantu, the people. There's Batu, Atu, Watu, Atu, Acho, Bot, Banu, Banu, Adu. The hieroglyphics of Bantu depicted in Egypt. It spells out the word Batu in keeping with the current original word Bantu. I just want to add something. You can pause to read this, but I want to speak specifically where it says they changed course until Asambo and separated with the Luo, who walked along the lake shore, but the rest crossed into South Nyanza. The Luo people were behind it. So I'm currently actually looking into the term Nilotic. But from what I'm getting from the text depicted in Egypt is that the Luo separated, but was still right behind. Meaning in text they are described as being Bantu. Bantu means the people of Africa. This is why I also say, even if you're in the diaspora and no matter how much percentage of Bantu there is in your DNA, I know that you are Bantu because ungumuntu. Now we're going to the word Ntu. The reason why it's Bantu. Abaga Ntu. Abantu Baga Ntu. Just like in many Bantu people countries, when they refer to their tribal name, they put Ba before or Va. Vanu. I'm going to use my sister Joelle. She refers to herself as Bashi. Her language is Mashi from Congo. Okay, now we're going back to Bantu. Ntu. Ntu is said to be our oldest ancestor. So check this. This essential being is known as Ntu by Bantu peoples and Ase by Yoruba of Nigeria. Way back in distant mists of time, their forefathers must have muted the question which inevitably led them, like all other humans, to the idea of supreme being. Within this super being, they reasoned, lay the reason for all that exists and the answers to all the questions about the universe. They named themselves Bantu, or the human manifestation of the great Ntu. It consists of Muntu, Kintu, Hantu, Kantu, Isintu, Ubuntu. Ntu is everywhere and everything, time, space, and its creations that are in tune with each other. I'll get into more about Ntu, but I wanted to just share this with you. Look at those two universities in Asia, Ashe and Ntu. The ones who get it, get it. Now look at what they study there. When I say Asia is coming to Africa to perfect, type in China Bantu or Bantu FYP on TikTok and tell me.